In this tutorial, we'll learn how to filter RFQs and exclude the ones where the approved source is also bidding and can potentially compete with your bid. Navigate to the DLA RFQs section. Select the filter option to refine your search. Click on Add Filter. Select the name filter category. And choose the approved source bidding option. Set value to false. Apply the selected filters to your search by clicking on Apply button. We can now see the filtered results. To save your search, click on Save button. Then click on the Save as New. Set a name to your new view. Click Save and it will save this filtered list as a new view. Now you can see the result in the new view. As you can see, approved source bidding column is not checked for any of the items shown.